Can you download Crunchyroll show offline? The answer is yes, you can. But you need a Mega Fan or Ultimate Fan membership to use offline viewing. On your iPhone or Android device, open up Crunchyroll and then find the show you would like to download. Now, find the episode and then tap on download icon next to it. Once the download finishes, go to My List and then select Downloads. Your saved episode will be there and you can watch them without an internet connection. You can even download episode on Nintendo Switch. Just keep in mind that Crunchyroll does not support offline downloads on PC currently. So if download isn't working, you have to make sure Crunchyroll application is updated. Check that you have enough space and try using a stable Wi-Fi connection. And that is how you can download Crunchyroll shows for offline viewing. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.